If you want to show or hide notification content in lock screen on OPPO Reno 15, first of all we can open settings on our phone. Next, in settings we should be able to find notifications and quick settings, and then in here we can find the lock screen option. Now once you go over here you should be able to choose specific apps, and then you can decide if notifications by these apps should be able to send you details, if they should be able to display actually details over here. As you can see, we can hide notification details for specific apps. You can also switch from the allowed to blocked, for example, in order to just see apps that are blocked to send you lock screen notifications. But also, if we go back to the previous previous setting page, we can find the general setting, hide notification details on lock screen, so you can completely show or hide notification content or notification details in here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.